Over the past couple of years, one of the most successful niches on YouTube is the police body cam footage videos. Channels like EWU Body Cam have racked up hundreds of millions of views as people can't get enough of seeing these arrest body cam videos. This niche is so successful, I even uploaded one of these videos to my channel years ago as well.
Hello. Hello, officer. I'm from California. I'm clueless.
Oh, are you?
With these videos becoming so popular on YouTube, more and more of these channels have popped up. The actual job of requesting these body cam videos from various police departments around the USA can be a full-time job in itself, so it was only a matter of time before some channels decided to start faking body cam videos in order to suck up that sweet ad revenue money. About a month ago, the YouTube channel Grimm made a video talking about one of these channels, Body Cam Declassified, and why he believed that all of the videos on the channel are fake body cam videos. Most of the titles of the videos are rage bait, designed to get clicks based around racial issues, such as arrogant police officer pulls over black FBI agent and regrets it. Now, another one is black female lawyer versus arrogant cop. And of course, cops going after disabled people would always bring in the views, so the video titled "Police Officer Thinks Black Blind Man's Cane is a Dangerous Weapon" got tons of views.
I haven't done anything wrong. You got no proof. I got no weapons on me.
You're right. Now you don't have a weapon.
What you doing?
And you know what? I'm not buying this whole blind thing.
Hey, what you doing?
These are mine. Confiscated by the law. I don't have enough evidence to take you in, but I am confiscating this weapon and these glasses.
I need my staff, bro.
Now, I have to point out that all of these videos are 100% fake, but nowhere in the description of the videos does the owner of this channel ever state that. This has led to the channel getting millions of views, and most of the viewers in the comments now think these are all real cases of cops treating people of color in extremely offensive and illegal ways. Comments like, "If this doesn't make your blood boil, you must be a cop," as well as, "This is the worst case of police harassment I've ever seen." Also, "Hope this guy files a huge lawsuit and wins." There are hundreds of these comments on each and every one of these videos, making it clear that this fake rage bait has convinced millions of people this content is all real. Now, the YouTube channel Grimm pointed out some obvious tells in the video that it's fake, like in one video when the fake cop claims to be handcuffing a man, but then the body cam footage clearly shows he was never handcuffed, as well as the over-the-top fake police radio chatter that sounds like it's straight out of Grand Theft Auto.
He clearly does not have handcuffs on. In fact, I'm pretty sure as the camera pans over, you can see the cuffs still in the security guard cop LARPer's hand. I mean, he makes the sound and he cleverly turns away for some reason, angles his entire torso away from bro as he's, quote, putting on the handcuffs, just so the audience thinks, we hear the clacks and we're like, oh, he's really getting arrested, that's crazy. But in reality, again, this is all a skit.
It's clear if you watch enough of these videos that these are obviously staged, as in every video there is some blatant screw-up that would get a cop fired if it were real. Over-the-top racism, not following proper police procedure, and acting so bad it would make the stars of a naughty website blush appear in almost every video. While YouTuber Grimm did a great job pointing out many of the tells these videos are fake, I wanted to see if I could dig deeper to find out where these fake videos are being made and just who exactly is behind this obvious rage bait content that is getting millions of views. I uncovered a web of channels connected to this obvious scam, and they all lead back to a famous YouTuber with over 1 million subscribers that seems to be at the center of this channel's success. We'll dig deeper into that story right after a word from today's sponsor. One of the many hassles of life is dealing with phone companies that just give you the runaround and never seem to provide the service you really want. That's why I'm more than happy to have Mint Mobile be today's sponsor. They're the smarter choice that allows you tons of options when it comes to your wireless service. They reimagined the shopping experience and made it easy to shop for exactly what you need online without ever needing to visit a store or talk to a salesperson. All their plans include unlimited talk and text on the nation's largest 5G network, and they also include free calls to Mexico, Canada, and even the UK. On top of all of that, they also provide 5G coverage for a whopping 98% of Americans and 4G Lite to 99% of Americans as well. What really sets Mint Mobile apart from the rest is the various different plans they offer to meet your needs. You can sign up for 3, 6, or 12-month plans, and they let you choose the data amount that's right for you, so you're not overpaying with those one-size-fits-all plans some of the other companies offer. They have 5 GB plans, as well as 15 GB plans, 20 GB, and even unlimited plans to choose from. Mint Mobile really is a great service, and 96% of users rate themselves as highly satisfied with Mint's customer care. If you would like to try out their great service, check out the link below. New customers can get their premium wireless plans that start at $15 a month. I'm always happy to partner with a company that has such a great reputation with their customers. Thanks again to Mint Mobile, and be sure and check out the link pinned below. This deep, dark rabbit hole as to who actually runs the rage bait channel Body Cam Declassified was deeper than I ever thought, and to be honest, at the time of making this video, I'm still uncovering deeper connections to other channels, and I may need to do a deeper dive at a later date once it's all uncovered. But to start the investigation, I want to point out 3 things that show up in almost every single one of these scam videos. The first is that the officers mentioned Florida many times, and all the license plates are Florida plates as well. The second is that every video comes from the same police department known as Mango Park Police Department, and finally, in about half of all the videos, the same building keeps showing up in the background with the name Miller Machinery and Supply Co. At this point, it should be 100% obvious that these are fake. How is this channel getting hundreds of rage bait body cam videos all from the same police department, and all the police stops are happening right next to the same building? I decided to dig deeper and found there is no reference to a city by the name of Mango Park anywhere in the state of Florida, or a Mango Park Police Department as well. After searching online, it doesn't seem that a Mango Park Police Department exists anywhere in the US, and seems to have been made up, created specifically for a production company. Eventually, I decided to put Mango Park Police Department into YouTube search, which then led me to the very successful YouTube channel known as Soul Snack. This channel, with over 1 million subscribers, puts out very cheesy scripted content that is similar to the successful YouTuber known as Darman, who got famous for this bad acting scripted style content. The channel description reads that Soul Snack is a channel for passion, purpose, and positivity videos. We want to make the world a better place by producing and displaying content that helps you in your path of personal development. The videos on the channel don't seem to follow that description though, as it's all rage bait content like Crazy Karen takes law into her own hands, and even has a video titled Rookie Cop Detains Innocent Black Man. What's interesting about this channel is that the videos aren't shown from the perspective of body cam footage and clearly state that it isn't real, making it much different than Body Cam Declassified channel, which is trying to pass all their videos off as real. What's interesting about this channel is that Soul Snack uses the same fake police department, Mango Park Police, in all of their videos as well. So it's clear these two channels are connected in some way. Digging even deeper into Soul Snack, we see that they have an actor in the banner of their YouTube channel who is also the star of another YouTube channel titled Judge Porter. This channel focuses on Judge Porter trying different cases in a Judge Judy style series, and in several episodes, police officers from the Mango Park Police Department show up in the cases as well. As you can see, this rabbit hole is incredibly deep, and these channels all seem to be connected or possibly run and managed by the same person. The actor playing Judge James Porter has an IMDb page where we see his real name is Vern Alexander, and is listed in several other projects that also mention the fictional police force of Mango Park as well. There is a video titled Rideshare Predator that lists the police department and Vern starring in it, as well as Mango Park vs. Charles O'Brien, which is an episode of Judge Porter that lists the actor and fake department as well. Now, to be clear, I don't think that Vern runs Soul Snack or the company that is producing the fake body cam videos, but it is interesting to see the connection this guy has to multiple years of working in the videos with this fake police department that also shows up in every one of the rage bait body cam videos. Now, I dug even deeper and found 2 more names with deep connections to Soul Snack, but I'm unsure if they actually own the company or just work for it. The first name I came across was a man by the name of Marcus Fremont, who in several articles was stated as the writer and producer of Soul Snack, and is listed in connection with the Judge Porter show on IMDb. On the Soul Snack Facebook page, another man is shown in most of their photos who goes by the name Anthony Gaeta. He lists himself as an actor, but I'm not sure why he shows up as the prominent face all over Soul Snack's Facebook page. Looking into his public Instagram account, I came across several pictures of him dressed as a cop and filming at the same building, which features as the backdrop for Body Cam Declassified's viral video, Black Female Lawyer versus Arrogant Cop.
Yeah, this whole thing just seems very suspicious. I'll be right back. I need to run this ID.
You don't need to run my ID, sir. You don't need to. I'm an attorney, like I said. That'll be against your jurisdiction if you're trying to run my driver's license.
In another photo, we can see Anthony posed in front of a Mango Police Department vehicle, and in the background, you can see the famous building that appears in many of the Rage Bait body cam videos, Miller Machinery and Supply Co. Finally, I was able to find the Soul Snack Mango Park filming location, which is listed in Miami, Florida, and sure enough, right across the street is the building that shows up in the Body Cam Declassified videos, Miller Machinery and Supply Co. Now, for legal reasons, I do want to state that I don't know for sure if Soul Snack owns the Body Cam Declassified Rage Bait channel, but it's clear these two channels are connected, as all of the body cam videos feature the same fake police department used in Soul Snack and film at the same location that the Soul Snack actor proudly displays on his Instagram account. In my personal opinion, it seems like Soul Snack had the resources from its main channel to create this new channel and present these obviously rage bait videos as real to quickly grow Body Cam Declassified. Whoever runs Declassified knows that posting this fake content would obviously piss people off once it was exposed, which is why it isn't publicly connected to any other channels. This channel clearly has a lot of money behind it to create a fake police force and hire a bunch of actors to appear in the videos, so it's clearly a well-funded team behind this channel. These types of videos should not be on YouTube, as they are designed to create rage and hate for events that never actually happened. In the USA, for the past few years, many people are very divided on their support for the police, with defund the police being a major talking point just a few years ago. When people see this content and believe it to be real, it just fuels more hatred for cops and serves no purpose other than to line the pockets of the scumbags running this channel. Finally, I want to point out just how viral this content can go. The channel released a video 2 weeks ago titled, "Cop Pulls Over Black Judge and Lives to Regret It." In the video, a fake police officer breaks the black lady's taillight while covering his body cam, and then attempts to arrest her for driving with a broken taillight.
And what I do know is I have not searched this entire vehicle.
Hey!
You have a broken taillight, ma'am. That's another citation.
I got one now. What are you doing?
It's illegal to be driving around with a broken taillight.
Yeah, after you broke it.
I did not break it. I'm trying to keep the streets safe.
That video now has 1.5 million views and is filled with comments from people who all think it's real and hating on cops for something that never actually happened. This is a bad cop and needs to be fired and never rehired again. This cop is dirty, dirty, dirty. How many citizens' rights has he tampered all over? Who is this officer? This deserves mass media coverage. As you can see, most people believe this to be real, and it's truly sickening to me that this channel is creating fake rage bait videos and profiting off of helping destroy people's faith in law enforcement. What was interesting about this video is just a few days ago, YouTube added a header that says that the video is proven fake. I've seen YouTube put disclaimers on videos when talking about sensitive topics, but I've never actually seen YouTube outright state that a video is fake in a header like that. It does bother me that YouTube knows it's fake, but is perfectly fine with it staying up and collecting money off of rage bait that is pretending to be real. In my opinion, this type of content shouldn't be on the platform at all, but let me know in the comments below if you think it deserves to be on YouTube or not.